In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Autorun.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser and simply search for the missing DLL. Type download. Hit enter. Click on the first match. Scroll down and you'll find for the system type of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. Okay, so here is your system type. And then click on the download button corresponding to it. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. And go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click. Look for the System32 folder. So if you're a 64-bit, go to System32. If you're a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. So I am 64-bit. Go to System32, right click and then select paste. And then once done, restart your Windows. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ redistributable. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the link that corresponds to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. And also consider updating your Windows. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. Click Windows Update on the left pane and simply click the button right here. Okay, so that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.